everyone, I am back in Ross. So this is kind of new for $10. Has a little hearts on it. Normally they're like the oval globe for $13 on top. You have a giraffe man. Stuff for your wall is $9. So it looks like they added a little more of decor, just like really different. Like look at this guy. And they have the gold. He's missing an ear. 12, really weird. It just feels like a cement brick. This one has a little bit of shimmer in it. I feel like this one might be geared for like Christmas in my opinion. And plenty of elephants. These gold ones. These are only 12 and $9. Like Jack's, right? Oh look, here's a different style. Those are 10. Those are kind of funny, right? These are somewhat nice. I like this. $13. Then of course, love all blinged out. $9 for like these birds. Well, that's new. A lot of giraffes, animals. I want to say these are new up here on top. These are $8 for your wall and a little shelf. And these tiny candlesticks. Some of these are $8. This one's really different. And more angels, maybe geared toward fall, maybe somewhere in your garden for $9. And on top there's quite a bit. These are nice as well. I like the shape of this one. Bless this kitchen. It's like a little spoon rest. Let's see. Oh gosh. These are $10. I'm so used to flipping things over because normally all the prices are at the bottom. Oh look. They have a Libby. You get 6 for $10 and they are glass. What is this one? Little mini taster bowls like for your oils. Some Pyrex for baking, of course. $2.99. Oh, what? Y'all, for real, $2.99. Oh gosh, you know Pyrex, man, especially if you go to Macy's. or like the big name brand stores, it is so ridiculously priced. Here's a Libby one. You get 2 for $5.99. Okay, there's quite a few stuff in here. This one's $7. Only as an adult you get excited for glassware, which is so funny, you know. Salad to go, dishwasher safe by Tasty. A few more Anchor Hawking. These are $5.99. Let's see, here's another one. And they're all glass here for $3.50. More Anchor Hawking and some in the back. Some fall hidden in here. More of these pumpkins for $9. And you know what's cool? It doesn't have a saying on it. These mushrooms are like totally groovy. $7, like really up my alley. I love it. I love it. I know it's so weird, but it's okay. Be weird. Whatever. No more of these pumpkins. This one says fall. And then it looks like some garland. Harvest garland. Oh, you know what? Can you hold that? Let me get way back here. Oh gosh, I have to go way back. Let me see. These are $8. Those are kind of cute, right?
Those are neat.
They're all, everything's all stacked on everything here. Let's see, gather. These are $5. Only see gather. More skulls, a little soap pump, trick or treat. Give thanks. We've seen this. Hello Fall, but I like how this one flips over. A different store had something that said give thanks, but it didn't flip over. And this guy looks like Jack Skellington, right? Kind of like a huge knockoff. And you guys, this 2-tiered pumpkin is $8. Can you believe that? Super, super cheap. Let me hold that. Let me take a picture real quick for the gram. For the gram. Even Halloween costumes, like $9. Does that say Zom Queen?
I guess.
Or, I don't know. Bumblebee type.
Instead of prom, she's a zombie. So
And
she's a
Zom Queen. Let's see, $11. Thankful and blessed. See the sweatpant area. Oh, this is cute. Be kind. How much is it here? I just came from Walmart. $13. And their sweatpants are pretty pricey. Huh. Got the Stitch one. It's a Stitch on that side. These are $14. See if I can find anything new. Here's a Looney Tunes. They do have this one in Walmart, but they're about like 15 or 16. So 14 here. It's another sweater. This is cute for a $12. Here's the back. I love it. This would obviously be for my daughter. Wait, what size is it? It says extra small. Hopefully I could find that in a small, make it a little bigger. Peanuts we know we've seen. You have to keep checking Ross, you guys, if you're looking for cute stuff. $10.99, so $11. Look at that one, Hello Kitty, but it is gonna be like a crop. When will it go away? You know? This is kind of cool. Roswell, New Mexico. Got the little spaceship, 1947, $14. So you have to keep talking over the music. They put like good songs in here. They got like In Vogue. Oh gosh. Oh, here we go. Let me see. What size is this one? $12. A medium. You know what? I might grab the medium. This is like really cute. The Happy Feast. A little drawstring at the bottom. Let's see. Anything else new? Tupac. So the last time I was here, they had this jacket, and you know what? It is selling out really fast. $21. Check this out. Would you guys like this? I like the plaid. I don't know. Maybe the fringe. And they do have a different style for $18. And these are actually quite thick with the button. But the only thing is, I do want to say you gotta be careful, like in Ross, because you know some of the like the clothing is like misshaped. Do you know what I'm saying? Because like underneath the armpit, I hate when they're like really too close to your armpit and you feel you can't lift your arm up, but everything else fits fine except for underneath your armpit. You have to be careful for stuff like that here. So this one's different. You get 2-piece. Let's see, for 15 you get the pant, and let me turn it around for you. 17 top and bottom. I made it into the shoe area, so this one's gonna be 27. Little platformish. Again, these boots are coming in really slowly. 25. Jessica. Okay. Pumpkin spice up your life. And they do have 9 West. And a few sandals over here. Oh gosh, so much sandals. A lot of Juicy Couture, a lot of Pumas. And there's sock area. I think this might do it for this video, you guys. Let me skim through the hats. Sometimes you can find some cool stuff in here. So you have Toon Squad. Winnie the Pooh and Piglet hidden up in here. A lot of stuff on the ground. And a lot of Dove. Dove everywhere in Ross. Tons of soap on top. You get 4. Oh, look at that. $5. It's a Gummy Bear Exfoliating Lip Scrub. Cotton Candy Collagen. Oh, that's kind of cool. Again, this will make a really, really great stocking stuffer. I feel like I sound crazy when I talk about that, right?